the first dress.
That's really nice on you.
At first when we put it on, I was just like, oh,
can you put your hair back a bit, please?
Oh, I should put this back. I'm like, oh, this is me. Oh.
Please come forward a bit.
This is literally what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Am I in shot?
It's giving you a pooper.
Oh no.
A little bit, not a lot.
I mean,
but now they say if you have fupa, flaunt it.
Yes, like I don't know about that one, but yeah.
Can we see your back if possible?
Back of the dress, I guess.
I think you've got the tag in.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's got a lining. You know what? Sometimes lining and dresses are good if the dress is structured. But when a dress is flimsy like that, I think it's better to get fabric that is opaque.
Bulk, isn't it?
No, it doesn't sit well.
Oh yeah.
So it gives you folds in the dress.
Right.
So Zara, if you're listening, go for an opaque fabric where you can't see through nothing, and then you don't have to put a lining. Because I'm thinking if you're costing the lining and the dress, you might as well put more money
into the
or the same money, yeah, into the fabric of the dress, and then you don't have to worry.
I really do like it. It's different from what I would actually wear, and so I feel like it's a nice change.
It's tastefully short. It's not like, you know, what are you doing?
Short.
Yeah, and I think with things like, because it's smock and there's elastication in it, it doesn't make you look like you're trying to be a street walker or worker. What do you call those people? It's like, I'm trying to bear everything.
Oh, that's
so that's what makes some body cons tasteful. But when it's just lycra and we can see even your cellulite and everything in it, it's a bit, you know, it's
not tasteful.
So what are you doing?
So yeah, I think this is a keeper. I want to compare it to, we have the green one, and see. I feel like they're both gonna be nice. I feel like I'm gonna keep everything, to be honest. I feel like that's what's gonna happen.
I'm not doing that.
But yeah, this is just the first one so that you guys can see. Medium, and I'm a size 8 to 10.
This is a very beautiful yellow, like a light melon.
Yeah,
melon.
Melon. Yeah, melon.
No, it's a melon. Lemon.
One of the yellow.
But we have melon that is yellow as well.
Yeah, so that's why I was saying that.
Yeah, it is a melon. Or lemon, whichever floats your boat.
Yeah, guys, that's the first dress. Okay, guys, this is the second dress. And how it looks. It's a size medium, isn't it? I think. So yeah, again, medium, 8 to 10, this is how it sits. I like the colour of this on me. I like the straps. I like everything about it, to be honest. I think the yellow, I was saying to my mom that I feel like it was more supportive for me personally.
It could be the fabrics. Yeah. I don't know if it's, what was this one again? Polyester?
I didn't actually look at the
If it was polyester doesn't have much of a give because it's not a natural fibre.
Right.
So there's no give. But then with natural fibers, you have a little bit more give.
Right,
yeah. So maybe that's why you feel, I don't know. They could be the same fabric.
So yeah, this is what's the green. Let me turn to the back. What the back looks like. Yeah, I think this one is really nice. I think if I'm keeping one, I'll keep the yellow.
I think the yellow is really pretty on you.
Me, yeah.
The colour and everything.
And the colour works.
This is pretty as well. No lie, it's pretty as well.
But if it's like to choose from the two.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I think if you have a bit of a boob, you know, going on, you have to look for something very supportive, like the undergarment, like Nisha was saying before, has to be right. Else you'll be spilling everywhere. So get like a good M&S sponsor us.
Sponsor me.
Good M&S strapless brassiere, and then you should be good.
So yeah, that is the second dress. Here is the third dress. Again, I like the.
I was just gonna say that the sun is going in and out. So
change of lighting.
Yeah, change of lighting, and it's looking a bit darker. But that's a very pretty baby blue
dress. Again, all the shoulders, everything. I really like. In fact, I have a baby blue bag that I want to probably wear with it.
A baby blue bag.
Yeah.
Okay. Go on talking. Let me see if I can
find it. So yeah, this dress has the same illusion and then the tiered skirt. I really like it for like we said, dinners, lunches, etc. I think the length is really nice. Really nice. I was telling my girls that I wanted more of these style dresses for the summer, so that when we went out to dinner, it's like we look like, you know. Yeah. So yeah, I got a baby blue bag that hopefully I can match with it. But yeah, the fit is nice. Could I have sized down? I think I could have. It probably would have brought a little bit more support on the top. But I'm still happy with the size. This is a large for anyone who's wondering. So I think, yeah, this is more my style. It's not hugging me and stuff, so yeah, no. Yeah, so there were a few bags we thought that could work with this dress. So we have this one also from Zara. Nice blue little handbag that goes well with the dress.
It's close in color to the dress, but here the bag looks a bit darker.
It looks darker.
Yeah,
oh.
that's fine.
Yeah,
you want to sling it. You want to
get a sling.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one blue bag that can definitely work. Another Zara bag for summer, basket bag. I think I like the shape and the size of this, to be honest. It's not like your typical totes that are, is a bit, you know.
This gives like a rectangular shape, whereas most totes, basket bags are round or cylindrical.
So yeah, basket bag I think also works nicely. And then this last vintage piece that we have.
What was the kick for?
You know, now I'm skipping in the woods.
Wow, okay.
So another blue little, but this is
that matches perfectly, but I don't know how you're gonna. I don't know. I'm not a good whatever when it comes to clutch. I think that I want my hands to be free.
Free.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. But yeah.
You probably have to attach some type of
strap to it, so
yeah.
that it's like you don't always have to handle it. But yeah, really nice blue clutch that also works.
That's a vintage one. We got it from our local vintage shop.
Yeah. So
Christian Dior. Bring it.
Yeah. Really nice little bag. So yeah, this one I'm kind of set and ready for. I think if I ever wore this dress for dinner purposes, the clutch is where it comes in. Yeah, depending on
what you mean dinner purposes. You can't wear this to a dinner.
You can't.
No.
No, you know the outdoor ones that are like, you know, you can sit outside. And you sit, not dinner, lunch. What am I saying? But you know, and you're sitting
lunch,
outside.
brunch, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yes.
I don't know why dinner is mine. Yeah. The next dress, guys. So yeah, this was the almost pink version of the blue, but this is so soft. I was just telling my mom that it flows really nicely and it feels really like luxurious, even though it's polyester.
I thought this was polyester and cotton, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels really nice. We did say we prefer this color on me. Pink does look better, so this could be the winner of the two. Let me show you guys the back. Oh, sorry. Hopefully it doesn't look too messy in the back, but yeah, that's
a little bit.
Yeah, the back. And yeah, I was just saying to my mom that I feel like I could have gotten a medium in these, purely because I think it would be slightly more supportive.
We were going for a medium, but when we were checking out,
there wasn't any.
It went out of stock.
Like even as we were in the basket, things were just flying. I said, what behavior is this?
So we just have to go for a large just to see how it fits. So
yeah, so definitely I think
size down.
We will size down in these, but I may not get the blue. I may just get this one. So yeah, this is looking. I really like it. I like the color and everything, and I think I can wear it with the blue bags, which will bring that contrast. So yeah,
it flows better as well.
This is 10 out of 10. I really like this one. Yeah. Alrighty. On to the next dress, guys. Next dress. We were just like, this is, bodycon.
Even though it's a medium and you are small, size small,
yeah,
it's real. Bodycon. I think it's because of the stretch we're talking about. Zara's rib dresses have a lot of resistance, so no matter how big it is, maybe we should have gone for a large so that it's a little bit free.
Yeah, because this one I feel like I've arrived. I'll tell mom that I didn't even think I had any shape, to be honest, but it's come through. Obviously we need a strapless bra because this racer is more racy. I don't know how to explain. It really comes in. So yeah, you're gonna need something strapless for that. Yeah, color, size, everything.
The funny thing is big boobs people don't have skinny brassiers or like a bra, you can't find a good bralette that will support you. So
yeah,
you need like a good sleeveless,
a very good sleeveless one. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know if I'll keep this one. No, I think it's
even your face shows it. You know when you wear something and you like it, it reflects. You can tell on your face.
This one doesn't.
It's almost like you're not so comfortable, and
And I feel like I don't know how I'll wear it that I will look nice. I don't know how to explain. Like even if I put a jacket on it,
it would defeat the purpose, because the whole idea of it is like it's straight on you and it's sort of on the body. But then once you put a jacket on it, then it stops being that. So what's the point in keeping it? So I think like
maybe if I was less busty, I'd feel like, because there's some of the girls who actually wear it and they're skinny and they have trainers and they're like, oh.
I think if your proportions are
minimal or
not
equal.
good, like equal, the proportions are then you'll be fine in it.
But yeah,
like
if anyone who likes sort of bodycon stuff, it was really nice. I think the neckline and everything really nice, and like we said, the durability quality perfect. So I feel like for anyone out there who does, this is also nice. Color's nice. So yeah, I just think it's not for me. But yeah, next one. This is the marigold version. Already I told my mom that I think the color saves this one more. I do think I prefer it slightly. If I could go up one size, then I will.
Oh, I mean, you're going up to a large because it's a medium.
This is a medium, so I would go to a large.
I guess if you're the type who doesn't mind to show everything, you can stick with your size. But I think for us, it's a bit
much.
Too revealing and too tight. Yeah.
So I feel like I would, just take this up a notch. But I think I would choose this one over the blue.
Color-wise, you mean?
Yeah. So hopefully you guys will be seeing some of these on.
And this was what, 11.99?
Yeah, 99 to 12.
Yeah. We don't know the fabrics yet, and it has like a
rib.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, this is the second one.
Would you be able to come
closer?
Yeah. So that people can see. Turn.
From the back?
Yeah, the back. Yeah. That's it.
So yeah, that is all.
I think the camera with this one and the color
is not showing well. Yeah, the green is really vibrant and really actually quite.
I think I like this one on you, but on camera it doesn't look nice on you.
Oh really?
It looks like it's loose, and it's not.
Like
hugging you in the right places. Yeah.
Right. But yeah, nice, good.
But I prefer this.
I think this knitwear is like breathable, which I like as well. So it works for.
It's like a cable knit, but it's not like a proper cable.
Yeah, it's not like a full. Yeah. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys the back as well. It's also the same sort of racer vibes. 19.99. Medium, this one?
Yes.
Medium. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. This one I'm split. My mom was saying that it does look nice. I was just telling her that I felt like the racer didn't really show as much, but she said that it's because of the fabric. So I don't know.
It could be the fact that I don't like bodycon so much. So this one is not like sucking everything. It just sits nicely.
It just
like you're a lady. You see?
Oh. Yeah. So yeah, this is the dress. Yeah. There's something I was gonna say about it, but I forgot.
I think they're all like a middle. No, it's a middle length. It just goes below your knee. It doesn't get to your shin though. Properly, yeah. Just below the knee, lengthwise. Yeah. So yeah. And you're what, 5'7"?
6.
I thought you said you're going taller.
It felt like I have, but obviously I haven't been measured. So.
Okay, alright then. That's it.
Okay, this one, I already told my mom, like, I'm here for it. I'm really here for it. The cut of the skirt or the dress is A-line. So I feel like it looks really nice and, playful. I like it a lot. The straps, everything's just a vibe. The color is a vibe. I was telling her that now I'm really convinced about the orange, that it will look top notch. But this is how it looks on.
This is testament to the fact that when it comes to dresses, simple is the best.
Yep.
Because most of the time we want to go away from what we did in the 50s, 60s, and whatever.
I mean, that was good.
That actually hacks it's like it shows off your figure without being offensive.
Right. He said offensive. Get it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like it.
And I like dressing like that. If you dress like that, I'm all for it. Because it sounds like you know what you're doing.
It's even more attractive and stuff.
Yeah.
And guys, I don't know, you guys wear bodycon. I don't know how you do that by yourself. Like every outfit has been a team effort to put on and take off. So props to you guys. But yeah, honestly, really like this one. So let's see the orange.
How much was this anyway?
I want to say $19.99. I remember.
This is like a fusion between fuchsia pink and neon pink.
Yeah, because it doesn't really have that neon thing yet.
Yeah.
But it's like it was getting
that tastefully done. Well done, Zara. Are we good?
Yeah. Next one we have is the orange of the pink. It didn't pop as much as we'd expect, because obviously I think on a darker skin tone the orange would be more prominent, but the pink,
I mean, a relatively darker person, because somebody say you're dark.
Oh yeah.
So like darker.
Yeah, then it would really
contrasted it nicely.
So the pink is kind of looking more promising in that regard. Maybe pink is my color. The other dress was pink as well. I don't know. Interesting. But yeah, same dress at the back, very similar. So yeah, all in all, very nice. If you do have a best friend who's, you guys can twin it out.
Twin it.
Yeah, you have your shades full. Yeah, cool. Yeah, but yeah, I think all of these dresses were really good, to be honest. Just right sizing that you need, and then you're fine. Absolutely.
Especially
fine.
if you're 5 foot, 5'2", 5'4", thereabout. It will be the best choice for you, because then it will sit on you perfectly. It won't be too short or anything like that. So I think this range is good for petite people as well.
Yeah, I think it really works. So yes, this was the final dress.
How much was it again? Same, 19, isn't it?
$19.99 as well. Okay. Medium. Yeah.
And it feels like a knitted fabric.
Yeah.
It's like your grandma's jumper. You know, the light, soft ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we thought we'd show you guys this dress. This is actually from last year's summer sale. Same similar yellow to the first dress that we showed you guys, but obviously completely different style. Halter neck, pleated, very much A-line,
It's like a knife pleat.
Right, so what, very like slim? Yeah. So let me just come a little closer so you guys can see.
I think it's cotton, because it feels like cotton.
The tie in the back, get the whole halter neck thing.
Yeah, the thing with halter necks is that usually when you don't like to show your back and things, you don't want to wear it. But then I think the trick is to have like a bandeau that is close to your color, or close to even the color of the fabric you're wearing. Yeah. And it'll contrast it nicely, because most of the time people don't look at your back necessarily when you're coming. It's just your front bit.
Yeah, that they look at.
So if you're scared of doing halter necks, the trick is to wear a bandeau, and then it'll cover a good portion of your back. So
yeah, I do feel like the A-line looks really good. Obviously, being top heavy, it's almost like it kind of levels everything out. So I think this cut really works for me. But yeah, very nice summer piece.
But this is not available because obviously.
Yeah, it was last year. But just to show you guys. And yeah, that's it. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, hopefully you also see some of these items styled later on. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. And yeah, let us know what else you want to see from us. If it fits,
feel free and have fun.
See you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.